This software is how you're going to make your first $1,000 in profit with Amazon FBA in the next 30 days. Ever since this software came onto the scene just a few months ago, it's changed the game for online arbitrage sellers because it makes the process so much simpler and so much easier. And they keep adding tons of new features every single month. And I'm going to break down some of those new features as well as the old ones and show you exactly how you can use it to make your first $1,000 profit in the next 30 days. With that being said, let's get into it so you can see exactly how this works so you can start making some money. And as always, if you got value, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into it.
If you're ready to make your first $1,000 as a beginner, Nepeto is the tool that you're going to use to do that. And we're going to dive into all of the features of Nepeto, including some new stuff that Nepeto just added. And I am really excited for this most recent update. They have some really, really powerful tools they just implemented into the software. So first and foremost, if you're looking to source, usually you're going to go to the retail arbitrage or online arbitrage section. With distributors and wholesale, you want to be very careful because a lot of these are like liquidation companies. So I would prefer to kind of stay in that online arbitrage area. There's a lot of like really good suppliers in here. So if you wanted to filter it out by supplier, you can do that. You can pick whichever supplier you want. If you're going to do this, I'd recommend doing like more of the regional type of suppliers. With Target and Walmart, it might be a little bit saturated, but with everything else, it should be, you could find a lot of hidden gems here. So you can filter it down by supplier. Let's say you wanted to only find like vitamin shop leads. That's like a really good place to buy vitamins. You can filter it out by only vitamin shop products. You can also go into the ROI or the price, however you want. I wanted to only see a 30% ROI. I could set that min value. If I wanted to see only like 1%, usually people like to stay in the 1% BSR, I can filter it out. So I see this one lead right here. It's like a Celsius. So what you can do is you can also check if there's other suppliers that have it profitable. You can check if you're ungated with the click of a button. You can also pull up the Keep a chart with a one touch of a button. You can also hide it from other sellers, which is a really, really powerful thing. You can hide it for however long you want, and that is only $2 a week. So you can also do this really cool thing where you just show data. You have to make sure that this thing is toggled right here. You can show the data, so you can see the Keep a chart right here. You can also see the offer count. You can see the sellers as well. You can storefront scan a seller with one touch of a button. So if you click this little button here, there's another place that you can input the storefront scanner in. But this is one area where you can input the storefront scanner in just by clicking on the seller. So you can really just go back and forth between different products on Nepeto and start to look through different sellers. So it can really automate the sourcing process. Here we see that this seller has a bunch of products from HEB. This could be like a retail arbitrage opportunity here, potentially, because I see a lot of HEB, which a lot of that stuff is usually grocery for retail arbitrage. So you can also use this to retail arbitrage or to find retail arbitrage products. You can see all their like brands that they carry in the store. You can see a pie chart view of it. You can see the percentage of the categories that they sell in. If you don't like the category they sell in, you could find a new seller. But yeah, so that is a really amazing tool thing. You can also see the buy box winner. You can go into the price here. It gives you a lot of different things you might need to know, like if there's IP issues, the sales rank drops, if Amazon's selling it, the estimated revenue, and the estimated monthly sales of the product. And you can see the average price as well. So really cool tool. You can also do some more stuff in here. So you can filter out third-party sellers on Walmart, which I would highly recommend doing because third-party sellers on Walmart might not be legitimate products. You will get in trouble for selling that. I would highly recommend filtering that out. But you can do that with one touch of a button. You can also show out of stock online, which could lead to a retail arbitrage opportunity. You can exclude certain brands if you wanted to. You can also input, let's say you find a coupon code on Vitamin Shop for 20% off. You can input that coupon code. So look, you find a couple more deals. And I know Vitamin Shop runs like 20% off sales pretty frequently. So like that could potentially be an opportunity. I've even seen 25% off sales. So you can actually add that coupon and make it think that you're getting 25% off because the buy cost will automatically adjust. So that's how it looks. And it's just really amazing that you can see all of this information and you can do so many different filters as well. But there's some new features that I really want to dive into and it is in the CSV scanner. So you can actually, if you're doing wholesale, you can download a CSV. So how to do this is you would go to a Google Sheets and then you would click File, Download, and then download as a CSV instead of an Excel file. And then you can input the CSV and then it will tell you, all the data you need to know about the products. So it will make wholesale become a lot easier and faster to source with if you get those big catalogs. So that's a really cool new feature. And you have the storefront scanner. You just have to pull their seller ID. So how that looks is this ID that you saw when we inputted it in. So if you go Show Data tab, you're going to see this is the seller ID that you're looking for. So like you could pull any seller ID and then you can essentially plug it into the storefront scanner by copy and pasting it right there. So that's one of the more recent features, but these two are the new ones. So they recently created a Nepeto product finder, which I'm really excited about because I love these kind of tools. I've talked about the Keep a Product Finder on my channel. This is something that's super similar, but I can see it being super effective because you're able to filter out products just by this. So like, let's say you only want to sell grocery products. You can do that here. And you can filter out, let's say you want Amazon out of stock. Let's say you want, less than 100,000 in sales rank. You can filter it out. So it's really cool that it is able to do this. One other thing you can definitely do is the offer count. So let's say you're looking for more so of an arbitrageable product. You can do 6 sellers or more because arbitrage usually has around 6 sellers or more on each listing. So you can do that. You can also input a seller's ID right here if you wanted to. So there's so many cool different things that you can do here. And it's very similar to the Keep a Product Finder, but it's really powerful because you're going to get the Nepeto search. So it's going to look for the supplier for you, which is why it's amazing. So I added in the brand Nike, and I'm going to change this category right here. So clothing, shoes, and I added the brand Nike. I also added a sales rank of less than 100,000, 6 or more sellers, Amazon out of stock as well. And if you wanted to just run the search, click this button here, and then it would show you all of the products. It would pull up something like this, where it would show you Nike products that meet that criteria on Nepeto, and it will give you a list of suppliers that have those Nike products. So it's a really, really cool, powerful software. You must have the master plan to get the product finder, but they have a bunch of other stuff. They have Amazon to Amazon flips, which could have been helpful for around Prime Day time. Amazon to Walmart if you're looking to sell on Walmart. And they also have some wholesalers on the platform as well. They have out of stock, which could be great to find lots of opportunity as well. So that's really that, but I really, really love the new features. I love that they have a CSV scanner, which is going to connect directly to Nepeto. So then you'll be able to use like the Nepeto Chrome extension and stuff like that. If you want to see what that Nepeto Chrome extension looks like, and by the way, that is completely free. You can download it on the Chrome store. Now, if you just search Nepeto Chrome extension, you should be able to find it on the Chrome store, and then you'll be able to download it 100% for free. So you can see they have a Chrome extension right there, and you can download it on the website. And it's 100% free, so this is what it looks like. It can literally replace SellerAmp for you, and you won't have to pay for a SellerAmp subscription. So you click that button, and then it's going to pop up. The sales rank, the variation, the cost price. So let's say I paid, $25 for this. It's going to give you the ROI, average price, IP issues. You can log in here with the touch of a button. You see the referrals, FBA costs. You're going to have a keep a graph, an offer count history, profit calculator. And then you're going to see the sellers as well here. So you see the buy box history. You can reverse source. You can load deals on Google here. So it can do pretty much everything that you need 100% for free. Super, super awesome. And if you buy it, you can add it to your Nepeto software list. So that's pretty much that. They also created a mobile app most recently. So you're going to want to go on a mobile device to download this, but it's just nepeto.app or app.nepeto.com right here, as you can see. And it's 100% free. So Nepeto is changing the game right now. They are making tons of great software at a very affordable or even free. So definitely worth checking it out. I definitely highly recommend Nepeto. And if you want to get 50% off your subscription and get a 7-day free trial, click the link down in the description and then I'll hook you up. But that's pretty much that. Hope you guys got some value from this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.